My name is William Thomas. I grew up in Jacksonville, Florida. I acquired my MBA at Florida State University, FCU. Presently, I am the CEO and founder of EcomShares, one of the fastest rising online selling platforms based in China. Additionally, EcomShares operates in North America, most countries on the African continent, and in Southeast Asia. In 2020 alone, our total sales were up to $70.6 billion. That figure is almost double our previous year's sales. EcomShares started in December of 2014 when we partnered with Alibaba. Most of us in upper management can still remember the mental pressure and physical exhaustion we went through to meet Alibaba's high standards to keep our end of the contract. We remember those days as if it all happened last week. Our hard work and dedication paid off when Alibaba granted us multiple contracts, and in 2017 we became major dropshipping partner of eBay and Amazon. Those first 4 years were very fulfilling, exciting and challenging, but EcomShares is still a very young company. We have a lot of accomplishments and challenges to look forward to. Let me share with you what inspired me to start EcomShares. When I was 10 years old, my mother was frustrated because a ceramic elephant figurine she bought from Thailand arrived broken. She ordered it from a Chinese friend who moved to Thailand. Along the way, the figurine broke, and no one knows at which point exactly along its journey of thousands of miles it was broken. That was what I would call my eureka moment. I realized that I could do something about it and earn money at the same time. So, in 2014, I founded EcomShares, and the rest was history. With the world still fighting COVID-19, EcomShares vows to fulfill its social responsibility by leading the community in the battle against the economic effects of COVID-19. Hundreds of thousands of food packs, grocery bags, liters of potable water, and tents were distributed to the residents of Wuhan, China, and in other countries such as Cambodia, the Philippines, Bhutan, most countries in Africa, and many others. EcomShares will not stop helping the world get back on its feet. I decided to open a program where people can own an e-commerce store without having to operate it. This program is limited to 500,000 individuals for its first phase. I personally want to make 1,000 millionaires by 2022. I'm always proud that I have been able to change the lives of people around me, and I'm hoping these 100 future millionaires will do the same once they are millionaires. The future of e-commerce will see constant growth and will be worth 3.48 trillion in 2025, and 1.26 trillion of that will be generated in China alone. This is the perfect time to be the part of the industry. A small e-commerce store today might be $1 million store in the next 2 or 3 years. Join us and be part of our success. Thank you.